Okay, read this question for us, Logan.
Logan's reading assignment was to read 17 1/3 pages after reading 5 2/3 pages. He took a break. How many more pages does he need?
How many steps are we going to do to solve this problem?
2.
No,
One.
it's just one. This is the full amount, and this is the part of it he's read. So this is different than some of the problems we've had where he is actually has a full amount, and then we know 2 parts. We only know 1 part. So there's really 2 parts to this book. The part he's finished and the part he has not finished. And we're solving for the part he has not finished. So what one operation do you say works best? Yes, it is subtraction. So we're going to take the 17 and the 1/3. And I'm going to go ahead and say this to y'all now. These are not the numbers that will be in your homework. I'm just basically reminding you that it's a subtraction problem. Also, on this one, what are we going to have to do? Do y'all notice 2/3 cannot be taken from 1/3?
You're going to have to take some from this.
Yes, from my whole number. You're exactly right. I'm going to have to borrow on this one. I'm not so certain that that's going to happen tonight. So just pay attention. You may or may not have to borrow tonight, just depending on what the fractions are doing. You probably will have to get a common denominator, though. Do we have to do step 1 on this problem? No. The first step is to get a common denominator. They already have the same bottom number. So instead of changing it, we're just going to borrow from our 17. If I take 1 away from 17, I'm going to rewrite it as 16. And I'm going to give 3/3 to the 1/3 that I already have. So how many thirds am I working with right here?
4/3.
Yes, I have 16 and 4/3, which is basically just renaming this same amount. It's like if you cashed in $1 for some change so you could go to the Coke machine. Okay, always start with your smaller value. So you guys do 4/3, take away 2/3. Are y'all finished yet?
Yes.
Thank you. That took a long time. 16, take away 5. 11. Now, just as a review before we stop recording, is that you will probably have to change your bottom numbers tonight. You may or may not have to borrow from your whole number to make your fraction bigger. You're just going to have to pay attention to what you're doing on that. It is a subtraction problem, though. Thank y'all.